I am short of words to thank you for taking the time out for this program, my sentimental journey, which marks my last days in the Philippine National Police Organization. This region is my very first assignment, and this camp is my very first office. I had many good and beautiful memories in this place. It is really, literally here that my career started. It was actually here that I was shaped up to be a young, brave warrior, a leader, a husband, a daddy or a father, a brother, a friend, and a colleague that I am now today. I have learned great lessons in life here, most especially on the uncertainty of everything, including life itself. Patience is a virtue. We should remember that. We have to love our job. Kasi kung hindi natin mahalin kung saan tayo assign, magiging kon tayo. Yung satisfaction natin sa serbisyo mawawala. Mawawala. So, retirement now beckons me. I know I will miss this amazing environment and colleagues who always stood by me and helped me execute all our tasks and plans. But I have full faith that this police regional office will continue to grow and prosper. And I trust that each of you will scale great heights here. Please keep up the good work. And I wish you all the best, professionally, and more important, personally.